Hello, everyone.
Welcome to our English Learning Podcast.
Today we will learn 100 useful English words about family and people.
This lesson is perfect for beginners.
I will say the English word.
I will read one easy example sentence using that word.
Continue with words 2101 to 2200.
Abandon. They abandoned the old building.
Accurate. Her answer was accurate.
Adapt. Children adapt quickly to change.
Admire. I admire her patience.
Advance. Science continues to advance.
Advertise. The company advertises online.
Afford. We cannot afford a new car.
Alternative. Walking is a healthy alternative.
Analyze. Let's analyze the results.
Announce. They announced the news today.
Anxiety. Deep breathing reduces anxiety.
Apologize. He apologized sincerely.
Apply. I will apply for the position.
Approve. The teacher approved my project.
Argument. They had a small argument.
Assist. I will assist you today.
Attempt. She attempted the difficult question.
Attract. Bright colors attract attention.
Available. The manager is available now.
Avoid. Avoid eating too much sugar.
Basic. We learned the basic rules.
Beneficial. Walking is beneficial for your health.
Blame. Don't blame yourself.
Border. The river forms the border.
Calculate. Calculate the final cost.
Capable. She is capable of leading the team.
Capture. The camera captured the sunset.
Career. He enjoys his career.
Category. This book belongs to that category.
Celebrate. We celebrated her birthday.
Challenge. Every day brings a new challenge.
Circumstance. The circumstances changed suddenly.
Client. The lawyer met the client.
Climate. The climate is warm here.
Combine. Combine the ingredients carefully.
Comfort. Family gives us comfort.
Command. The officer gave a command.
Commercial. We watched a short commercial.
Commit. Always commit to your goals.
Compare. Compare these prices carefully.
Compete. Many teams compete every year.
Complain. Customers complained about the delay.
Complex. This puzzle is complex.
Concentrate. Please concentrate on reading.
Concern. Safety is our biggest concern.
Conclude. Let's conclude the meeting.
Condition. The patient is in good condition.
Conduct. Scientists conduct research.
Confirm. Please confirm your email address.
Conflict. They solved the conflict peacefully.
Connect. The train connects both cities.
Consequence. Every action has a consequence.
Consider. Please consider all the facts.
Consist. The meal consists of rice and fish.
Constant. She made constant progress.
Construct. Workers construct new buildings.
Consume. We consume electricity every day.
Contact. Please contact customer service.
Contain. This bottle contains water.
Contribute. Everyone contributed ideas.
Convenient. The station is conveniently located.
Convince. She convinced me to join.
Cooperate. We cooperate as a team.
Create. Artists create beautiful paintings.
Criticize. Please don't criticize others unfairly.
Curious. I'm curious about space.
Customer. Every customer received help.
Damage. The wind damaged the fence.
Debate. They enjoyed the debate.
Declare. He declared his decision.
Decrease. Prices decreased this week.
Dedicate. She dedicated her life to teaching.
Defend. The lawyer defended his client.
Define. Can you define this word?
Delay. Heavy snow caused a delay.
Demand. There is high demand for workers.
Demonstrate. The teacher demonstrated the experiment.
Depend. Success depends on effort.
Describe. Describe your favorite place.
Deserve. You deserve a vacation.
Design. She designs websites.
Determine. We determined the best route.
Develop. Reading develops vocabulary.
Differ. Our opinions differ sometimes.
Direct. He gave direct instructions.
Disappear. The rainbow disappeared quickly.
Discover. They discovered a new species.
Discuss. Let's discuss the plan.
Disease. Doctors study many diseases.
Distribute. Volunteers distributed food.
Divide. Divide the class into groups.
Donate. We donated books to the library.
Educate. Schools educate future leaders.
Effective. This medicine is effective.
Efficient. She works efficiently every day.
Encourage. Good teachers encourage students.
Enormous. The elephant is enormous.
Environment. We should protect the environment.
Establish. They established a new school.
Evaluate. The teacher evaluated our work. Excellent job.
Today you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you on day 23.
Goodbye and happy learning!